Mwancho muligilia na omo Samaria obwate enkoro ya munyabantu na waigo yogokonya na waigo bwate enkoro yogokonya nigo litikolia rero akonya abantu gwetania chimibere ebirugo bali babwate obolema nigo litikolia rero kaukwana asensemelia nyanjwa omo pastor kurwa Sensemelia East Kenya Union Conference Pastor Godfrey Kabere oyo bara omurubiri yo kwena na ebirugo byo buchia birugo bya abantu bali bwate obolema nigatenga nigo omurubiri yo orachiko gendera ase ensi ya Kenya na boigo chinsi asensengima ukwana omonyakiro bwo murubiri yo wa Cheer Love Organization nigatenga nigo bakonyire abantu abange bo bwate obolema ase chinse chionsi asensengima na boigo abantu bali banyoro bokonyi na barabu mbabiseti omogokobo ekiri batenga nigo bakonye kire sana abandi konyora bachalikire orobotiro na senchira yo wikrano.
Pastor Geoffrey Kupere kutoka East Kenya Union Conference of Seventh-day Adventist Church and South Nairobi Kajiado Field. Nimetoka pale, tuko hapa katika makao makuu ya Waadventista wa Sabato hapa Kisii, na leo tumekuja kupokeza viti ndugu wetu ambao wana mahitaji ya hapa na pale. Alivyosema ndugu wetu Augie Pilot ameweza kudistribute wheelchairs zaidi 400, na hilo ni pongezi kwake na kwa Mungu tena, na Mungu awabariki sana.
And I'm with Share the Love. We are a United States-based non-profit organization, and we provide the gift of mobility to people around the world who have neither the means nor the access to a wheelchair. And we are here in Kenya delivering 2 shipping containers, that's over 500 wheelchairs, to people throughout Kenya. We've been with the Western Union Conference of the SDA as well as the Eastern Conference, working the last almost 2 weeks, and we have so far given out 300 or 400 wheelchairs, and we still have another almost 200 to go. And we do this because we are called to do it by God. We are here to love God and love one another, and that's what we choose to do here at Share the Love. And please, you can find us online at sharethelove.org.
Asante kwa hii kwa donors kutuletea hizi wheelchair. Kwa wagonjwa wamesumbuka sana, hasa kama my husband amesumbuka sana kutoka 2016 tukienda hospitali tuwa tunahaya wheelchair, but we had already applied lakini imechelewa sana, but I thank God donors wametuletea hapa karibu, tumepata. Tunashukuru Mungu kuwaleta our donors from America.
Okasiri tukolia rero twanyale ko batokonyora mushada kwechi wheelchair kwakera basonga abantu ntombi yamono banyala ko bakoleta chi wheelchair ngo twalenga abantu abangira kiruntu anyora twensi nande chinde nchetigara ngo ngwakera sambi yamono anyale ko bagotogoda chinjera aho twensi twanyala ko batokonyora rero nabali bandu batanyora mbale na basemeli na barombachi banyora ande twanyala ko batogosoni guna ntwe cyabona na sekitora ase chi wheelchair ntuna nabona ngotokurandi onyango terasi chiwiricha ngotogo sabasi bonse kanisa chionse antu bato bali baga asadi kuna dole disability na antu bato bali baga onene sabata ya mutonyara ko bato tokurandi abantu ntubwate chingu
wana naza ya na rote stroke kwa July 2016 paka won awa ndero chandeka lakini nekiombe gato ta chiwircha na ta ngam bia bono se gas bakora ale bakora bia so mobility la praisi
ambia mono aseke ombeke ya tokonyire chinyangeje achande kire sama tuka matambe igonkwa guranse ande tikabagandira gokonya abande te banga niche bwieka
nigo bono kurwase county ya Kisii ase bunge nyali bali chache ase ward ya Kisii Central nigo bono abamenyi